In this world of busy schedule and stressful life, welcome to Jayasree Kadai Katha English. We have almost forgotten the recipes made by mother or the masi. So this recipe is from Jayasree Kadai Katha, getting back the special nuance of good food and authentic recipes. And you can make this recipe yourself at home. So, like, share, and subscribe my channel and try new recipes in this YouTube channel. Jayasree Kadai Katha welcomes to you all.